numerical wave optics. First numerical, coherent sources are 2 mm apart and are illuminated with a monochromatic light of wavelength 5896 angstrom. Fringes are observed at the distance 60 cm from the source. Full stop. Find the fringe width. Comment on the shape of fringes. तो गिवन डाटा है, लैम्डा दिया हुआ है हमको, लैम्डा कितना है 5.96 एंगस्ट्रॉम कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर. ओके, एंड 2d डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द source, two coherent source. Okay, we from the theory consider d, other book are consider small d, no problem, but consider 2d 2 millimeter and 2 10 to minus 3 millimeter, and d equal to 60 centimeter means 0.6 meter, and beta fringe width find out. So according to formula, beta equal to d lambda upon 2d. Simple case, put the value of d and lambda upon 2d, find out the fringe width 1.77 into 10 minus 4 meter. Second question, the inclined faces of the biprism of glass mu equal to 1.5 make angle of 2 degree with the base. Full stop, the slit at the is at 10 centimeter from the biprism and illuminated by the light by wavelength 5500 angstrom. Find the fringe width at a distance of 1 meter from the biprism. Okay, so given data, displacement deviation method. Okay, deviation method. So mu equal to 1.5, a equal to 10 centimeter, b equal to 1 meter, convert into centimeter, lambda here, and alpha equal to 2 degree. Beta find out करना है, beta के लिए 2d required also. So beta equal to d lambda upon 2d. So 2d का formula according to question 2a mu minus 1 into alpha. Alpha equal to 2 degree. In convert into radian. Okay, so firstly find out the 2d equal to 2a, a की value 10 centimeter, mu 1.5 and minus 1 into 2 into pi by 180, convert into radian. So 2d equal to 0.35 centimeter. And next beta equal to d lambda upon 2d. Then d, capital D, we are mentioned here. Capital D equal to distance from slit to biprism and biprism to screen. So screen, prism and slit distance A and prism to screen distance B. So A plus B equal to capital D 110 into 500 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Convert. Okay. Next, light of wavelength 6000 angstrom fall normally on the thin wave shape film of a refractive index 1.35, forming fringes that are at 2 mm apart. Full stop, find the angle of base. So given data, lambda दिया हुआ है 6000, convert into centimeter, and mu equal to 1.535 and beta equal to 0.2 centimeter. डायरेक्ट मेंशन कर दिया, बट 2 मिलीमीटर है, उसको चेंज कर दो. फाइंड आउट द बीटा अकॉर्डिंग टू बेस शिफ्ट. बीटा इक्वल टू लैम्डा बाई 2 म्यू थीटा, बट फाइंड आउट द थीटा, तो लैम्डा अपॉन 2 बीटा. ओके, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ लैम्डा हियर एंड 2 be mu and beta. So similarly we find out the 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian, convert it to degree, then 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 4 multiply by 180 by 5, theta equal to 0.0063 degree. Next numerical, in a Newton ring experiments, the diameters of the nth and nth plus 14 rings are 4.2 millimeter and 7.0 millimeter respectively. The radius of the curvature of plano-convex lens is 1 meter, and calculate the wavelength of the light. Okay, application of Newton ring. So given data, dn equal to 4.2 millimeter means 0.42 centimeter, and dn plus 14 equal to 7.0 millimeter 0.7 centimeter. Means dn plus p. So p equal to dn plus 14 minus n and plus 14 plus n, and cancel equal to p equal to 40. Okay, r equal to 1 meter means r equal to 100 centimeter. formula, using formula lambda equal to dn plus p k square minus dn k square upon 4p r. R value here, the dn plus p k square means 0.7 chi square minus 0.42 chi square upon 4 into 1400 equal to simple formula 5.6 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter, yeah, 5600 angstrom. Okay, and most important numerical maximum time in exam. In a Newton rings experiment, the diameters of the 4th and 12th rings are 0.0400 centimeter and 0.700 centimeter respectively. Full stop. Find the diameters of 12th ring, 12th dark ring, not rings. Okay. So, okay. Given data, D4 equal to 0.04 centimeter, D12 equal to 0.70 centimeter, D20 calculate करना है. तो 12 minus 4 equal to 8, so P equal to 8. Okay, and similarly 20 rings to compare from 4 rings, so P equal to 20 minus 4 equal to 16. So two values are 16 and 8. So first consider for 8. तो लैम्डा फॉर्मूला लैम्डा इक्वल टू डी एन पी का स्क्वायर प्लस डी एन का स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 पी आर. तो चेंज करते हैं डी एन स्क्वायर, डी एन प्लस पी का स्क्वायर माइनस डी एन का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 पी लैम्डा. तो लैम्डा नॉट गिवन, आर नॉट गिवन, देन D12 माइनस D12 का स्क्वायर माइनस D4 का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 into 8 into R into lambda, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Okay, for 12th and 4th ring, so find out the P equal to 16. So similarly 16 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4 का स्क्वायर D4 का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 into 16 R into lambda 2. Equation 2. Dividing equation 2 by equation 1, this value left hand side value divided by left hand side value of equation 1, and this value of cancellation of right hand side only 2, and put the value of diameter 4, 16 का नहीं है हमारे पास, 12 and 4, and finally find out the value. Okay, find out the value of D12 equal to 0.905.